Alright, it's low time. So, yesterday I posted a video on Dickie Allen's highs. It has like 387 views now. So, let's go over his freaking lows. Let's see how many views I can rack up in 2 days. I don't know, man. Just share my channel, please. I need it. Alright, so, his lows, me personally, I use the same distortion placement for all of the Dickie Allen type screams that I do. So, again, it's a hybrid scream. So, you do that, you plug your nose, and then you lower your growl. So, what you do is you just plug your nose. See? And it gives it that gravelly sound, makes it sound more thick, sludgy, just ugh. So there you have it. Keep rocking. Love you all.